Welcome to the Complete Knowledge. In a high-stake game of cat and mouse in the South China Sea, China People Liberation Army Navy plan has revealed new information about the advanced strategy and equipment Chinese warships use to counter US electronics warfare aircraft, particularly the EA-18G Growler. The new report published in the Chinese academic journal Radar and ECM and highlighted by Hong Kong-based South China Morning Post sheds light on a high-profile incident from December 2023. William Coulter, the commander of US Electronics Attack Squadron 136 VEQ-136 aboard the USS Carl Vinson, was unacceptably revealed of his duties. While the US Navy attributed the decision to a loss of confidence in his ability to command, the report suggests that Coulter removal might be linked to the US Navy struggle in countering Chinese electronics warfare. In January 2024, PLA officers and sailors aboard the Type 055 destroyer Nanchang were honored of their actions against a US aircraft carrier fleet. Chinese media subsequently broadcast footage showing interaction between two US jets, including one believed to be an EA-18G Growler and Nanchang destroyer. The report claims how to PLA Navy has leveraged cutting-edge artificial intelligence AI to develop a powerful kill web designed to challenge the capabilities of the US Navy EA-18G Growler. The report states that the PLA Navy scientists have, for the first time, shed light on how their modern warship compact and advanced electronics warfare capabilities of the EA-18G Growler, which is a pivotal components of the US air-sea battle strategy. Boeing EA-18G Growler is renowned for the electronics jamming capabilities designed to surprise enemy radar and communication system. Despite its advanced technology and recent upgrades, which include modernization initiative for its FA-18 Hornet and Super Hornet variants, the Growler is not impervious to countermeasures. Chinese scientists disclosed that the PLA Navy type of 055 destroyer, such as Nanchang, are equipped with sophisticated radars and sensors. The integration of these systems reduces the effectiveness of Growler electronics jamming by enabling them to process large volume of data. The PLA Navy has demonstrated a noteworthy advancement in its technological capabilities by integration these two systems and continue to operate effectively even in the face of electronic attack. The intense competition between the Chinese Navy and US Growler aircraft dates back to at least 2018. During the Trump administration, reports indicated that China has deployed radar and communication jamming equipment in the South China Sea. At the time, EA-18G Growler pilots suspected interference from Chinese system. Though experts debated an extent of the impact one of the aircraft operational capabilities, Chinese scientists assert the artificial intelligence AI has given the PLA radar system and its advance over. A scientist highlighted the capabilities of cognitive intelligence radar, which include proactive environment sensing, customizable transmit and receive functions, intelligence processing, and resource scheduling. These features allow the radar to effectively counter the complex and variable electromagnetic jamming tactics employed by the EA-18G. He explained that system detection was more than merely stacking multiple sensors or creating a loosely connected network. Instead, a comprehensive utilization of various sensor performance characteristics is involved based on actual conditions. This approach ensures a rational allocation and scheduling of detection resources from a tactical perspective, thereby enhancing the platform information control capabilities. Chinese scientists have made a significant progress in ensuring dependable and fast communication for the whole fleet. Even in interacting electromagnetic environment, Chinese naval vessels in the vicinity quickly counterattack an EA-18G that targets one of their ships. This coordination creates a massive kill web capable of flexible and intelligently countering the EA-18G, transforming from a single resource confrontation to a systematic detection. Resource confrontation. With these technological advancements, the Chinese Navy has shifted from a previously cautious stance to a more proactive strategy. This new approach, described as attacking as a defense, involves taking multiple measures simultaneously, optimizing combinations and collaboration with the other elements to counter electronic warfare aircraft effectively. An official report on Nanchang confirmed this tactical shift. The ship broke from a traditional formation rank, advancing 100 nautical miles (185 km) ahead, and with the support of Rear Force blocked a US aircraft carrier task force from entering a Chinese exercise zone. In response, the US military deployed carrier-based aircraft. Video released by China indicated that the EA-18 might have used a combat mode known as jamming while accompanying forming a formation with other warplanes and conducting noise jamming or release dance false target signals to confuse the Nanchang. Despite these efforts, the Nanchang radar system continued to function normally and successfully locked onto the US fleet main targets. According to the commander on board the Nanchang, the US ships and aircraft withdrew not long after they removed the proactive covers from the vertical launching system. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.